I have this 10-minute video created, and if I export it using the standard H.264 settings, the file size comes out to about 3.2 gigabytes. That's really huge. I'm going to show you how to reduce that file size down to around 387 megabytes while keeping the quality virtually the same. That's almost 8 times smaller. At the end, when we compare the videos side by side and play the videos, you barely notice the difference. Click the Export tab to open the export window. Change the file name to whatever you want. Choose the file destination or export location. Then under Format, for YouTube videos, the standard file format is H.264. With the default video and audio settings, the estimated file size right here, as you can see, is around 3.2 gigabytes. The reason for the large file size is the bitrate settings. If we go to the video settings, you'll see that it's set to VBR2 pass with a bitrate of about 31 Mbps. Mbps means megabits per second, which is the amount of data used per second of video. The higher the target bitrate, the better the quality, but also the larger the file size. If I reduce the bitrate to between 20 and 24 Mbps, the estimated file drops from 3.2 GB to about 1.5 GB. Reducing it further makes the file smaller, but you start losing quality. And that's not the best way to reduce file size. What we want is to shrink the file while keeping the video quality the same. If you want to make the file small and maintain a high video quality, the better way is to use a more advanced codec. Instead of using H.264, we'll use H.265 codec. H.265 uses a more efficient compression system. It can maintain the same visual quality as H.264 but at a much lower bitrate, which means you can export at a much lower bitrate while still maintaining the same visual quality you expect from a much higher H.264 bitrate. So under Format, we are going to select H.265. So after selected, open Video Settings. Click Match Source to make the resolution and frame rate match your sequence. Click More and make sure to check both render at maximum depth and use maximum render quality. Under Encoding Settings, choose Hardware Encoding. For the tier, select I. Then scroll down to Bitrate Settings. Change encoding to VBR1 pass. And this works well with H.265 because its compression is already more efficient than H.264. And with VBR1 pass, it encodes the video in a single run. Next, set the target bitrate to about 5 or 6 Mbps. I'm going to set it to 5.1. And now you see the estimated file size drops to around 387 megabytes. For quality, set it to highest. This gives slightly better quality, although the export time will be longer. And we are done with the video settings. Under audio settings, make sure it's set to AAC 48,000 Hz, 320 kilobits per second, and of course stereo. If not, adjust it accordingly. And now you're done. Click Export. It may take a while, but you end up with a high quality video at a much smaller file size. Before exporting, you can save these settings as a preset. Click these 3 dots and select Save Preset. Name it something like YouTube small size or whatever you want, and then save. So next time, just select this preset so you don't have to repeat the process every time. Now export and wait for it to finish. Now let's compare the videos side by side. First, the original H.264 video, it's about 3 gig, and you can see the quality. Next, I'm going to open the other one, H.265, and you can see that the difference in quality is barely noticeable, and that's the magic of H.265. Its efficient compression allows us to lower the bitrate while keeping the quality virtually the same. And that is it. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Premiere Pro video editing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.